So hi, hello everyone. Hope you all are good. So specific this video I just bought all of for you because I just used to getting with everyone to be show us to the something blow dry styling as well. So you seen the sample in the before in just 20 seconds and that how the volume at blow dry flexible layers are blowing up like boom. So that hairstyle we just bring up to in this video, just we doing with a messy blow dry in the beginning. In the top of that we just get it into the section. Ensure that before you do the proper styling your hair should be 100% washed, also completely shampoo conditioner. Then you can just start with a blow dry. So we done with completely with a messy blow dry and just we just root shooting up and just we taking sections now with just crown box section we separating. And we step by step will be show you in this video, but watch till the end. I can just about the information about this video, how to do the volume blow dry in the easiest way, and very subsections you can just easy to release. And also for a beginners is one of the best video for ultimately it will be really easy to practice for like a beginners and pro styling purpose even if you only want. So the side section is almost separated and this back section we're going to be subsections we're separating in these things. And this very simple technique we are going to be show you something. It will be volume lift up and just one more section we just took with an apiary part we can just take. Just do the root shoot completely cleaning over all the first in the top and the side and both the sides, and after that we can just take directly from the roots to ends. First clean and need to and do the blow dry properly in the straight, then later on you can just turn it around towards the opposite direction from the bottom. You have to blow it and just twist inside and just take it and just make a straight, and then top of that after you're done finishing you can just lift up the volume little bit. Then later on you can just twist inside slightly, then after that you can just finish it and then take a slightly bit towards the inside, make it close and just give it to the finishing look. And that, and next section we just take with another roller. Why? Because the previous one we just kept for the style holding purpose for 10 to 30 seconds we keep it like that for. So in this blow dry technique we are doing something, it will be volume like spiral blow dry, and that is a regarding purposes we lifting to more opposite direction, like over directing we have rollers. So you can just see completely how we are lifting up towards the opposite direction to root shifter, and just both and back side also we're just turning inside and just dropping them now. So that easy to do the blow dry, and it will be simple techniques you can just understand about how to do the blow dry, and you will be pro styling coming day. So another side also we're going back on same technique will following it, and just the previous blow dry roller we're releasing. According to the styling, after done will be one section the previous styling roller we release and go to another side, because we in this blow dry we are just using with medium roller. Why? We want to lift something more volume and it will be flexible layers flip out. My client was expecting completely with a flexible flip out layers. She want to be more voluminous and flexible look. She don't want anything curls, and also that is a regards I just taking to the medium rules I just suggesting. So that's the reason I just be taking to the blow dry with something with spiral bases can stay long lasting purpose. We'll just go into the spiral blow dry which can be last more than any other stylings. And yeah, it will be tongers and ironing curls also last more, but it will be this is something different. So one more crown section was left. So back section it will be going to be finished, in the last blow dry section was left. And you can just see completely how we doing to the blow dry on top of that. So that's simple, you can just understand about the blow dry technique. And these many days I was expecting there to get a good models and just presenting in front of you. Finally the day it came now today. I'm really happy to excited to show you guys. I hope so you all are like this video, and styling also you really enjoyed it very well. I hope so. You know about how to become to the good results. Stay with till the end finishing after this video. You will be see the good results, and you will be get bonus tips on in this blow dry techniques as well. So almost his back section is going to finish. My client was very excited and she taking with so many snaps on that Snapchat for us showing it uploading purpose. She's why because she is getting with something exciting hairstyling on her hair. So the previous blow dry rolls we released and we just came to the side section. In the side brushes, in these times we just take with very thin section as well. Why? Because the styling can be stay long lasting, and also we're taking to the small section for each and every section, because I need to be show something beginners also how to do the blow dry and the easy way to understand, and it will be when they are starting doing that, how less section you make and just take that. So that is my major concerns to almost a section over all the sides we just clean with nicely with roller, and we are just lifting towards to the again now opposite direction to the volume lift basis over directing. So ensure when you do the blow dry your hair should be completely tangle free, then you can just do easily blow dry. If tangles is there, please make sure release the before the doing the blow dry with the comb, complete tangle release, then top of that you can just start doing the blow dry. If tangles will be there, hair styling it will tough, difficult to be get it done. So hair will be stuck one place is consistently, then it will be difficult to release them too. And one more small section is finished, and back whatever we done just we release and just take to the side fun. So that easy to do the blow dry, and also it will be very quick and fast. You can just do these techniques and these tricks if you can use, it will be pro stylist when in the blow dry, I am sure for it. You are expecting with us like party looks and bouncy voluminous look, provide them to these styling techniques. I hope so they will be get good long lasting styling, and the client will be happier than before, and any other styles they never seen kind of this is something like ultimate looks and finishing, they will be really happy in that cases. So now we'll be coming to other side the sections, and the same technique we following the what we done the previous section in the right side one, left side one also, we just following the same trick. Started with the blow dry, and just before itself we're releasing the tangles, completely combing it, and just now we start to the, and just all the sides we just taking to the shiny blow dry, make it to the clean look, then we're lifting towards to the opposite directions to the come out to the spiral basis to edge. Whenever it will become edge, you can just spiral twist inside nicely, and then it will be, you can just the finishing in the sharp edges in the bend portions in the layers whatever you done, it will become so clean and neat look on it. So ensure whenever you do the end finishing, you can just twist in and just take it inside, twist in and take it inside. Again, you can whenever you do, the finishing will become nicely and neat as well. So last section got pending, so it will be going to finish as soon as faster. Hope so the previous videos only the haircut. Hope so you guys are a little bit after the something exciting video we look like to see in this new video, must be something styling purpose and just regardless just bring in front of you. So my thought also I need to be work on the towards to the model. I'm just expecting let's come to the good models. I definitely will be provide a very good videos in future for further case. Definitely stay tuned. Very soon we're going to be reach 1K subscribers. If you like the video, please hit the like button, do share with your friends, please support me. I'll come with a different techniques of haircuts and stylings as well for future. So crown portion we release, and just we take to the again with a cleaning with entire the overall the sides, right, left, back and front also, and I just we lifting up towards the opposite direction, and just 90° we just lifting up, and then we will take to the 120° also. Yeah, you can just see in the front forward. Why? Because we're taking it will be crown portion, it will be how much you can just take to the over direction towards the opposite way, that much volume you can just see the crown portion, that can body will be still like voluminous and bouncy looking compared to other sides. That is a major portions to be give a good blow dry, and also it will be lift up to the too much up to the opposite direction, which is can providing to the volume purpose. That is very much important for, and that is a very like significant role going to be performing the blow dry styling in this. That is spiraling and releasing back, and come to the one more two sections are in small section we are just taking to the front forward. Why? Because my concern in this blow dry is something it will provide with a finishing, front finishing, it will very neat and clean. Also it will be volume blow dry look, even though cleaning overall the entire the side all section and just lifting opposite side to the over blow dry, and just you can just see completely it will be going to finish how we just going to be cleaning the sections and how to do the blow drying techniques and how we are holding to the blow dry brush and blow dryer and how we handling in that things. You can just see very clearly in detail inch by inch. So this that easy to do the blow dry techniques, and it will be styling purpose whatever you just take, and we're going to finishing it last section. Last section we will going to be finished almost. So all the rollers we release. Now we're just cleaning with the root hair lines in the front hair lines. So without that we blow dry, it's nothing is going to be finished. So now we're shaking up after this with the entire hair. You can just see the volume look and flexible finishing on it. Now you can just see how we just shaking up to the complete up to the hair, and you can just see a lot of movement on that like flexible, and you can just see the flexible finishing and layers are visible, very beautiful. You can just see how it will be going to flowing up like a boom, like shiny and glossy finishing in that blow dry techniques and all. Layers is completely comes out well, and the crown portion you can just see very good volume. Now we'll be take to the front. We can just I'll show you the front part also. So the back, whenever you will see the blow dry, it will be visible like this. Now I'll come to the forward. Now you can just see a lot of finishing on it. See how flexible shape was visible, and blow dry it will be completely very much volume. Alright guys, I hope so you guys are like this video. Please hit the like button and do share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We'll be meet up to the next video with a different subject. Until take care, we'll be meet up to the next video. Be safe and take care of yourself. We'll be see you soon in next video.